And why does the negative battery cable spark when connecting, you ask? It's all about the electrons. When connecting the cable, the battery's voltage attempts to balance the charge, causing electrons to jump, resulting in a spark. A little spark is usually nothing to worry about, but let's explore further. Some folks might wonder, is it safe? Well, as long as your battery isn't leaking or damaged, you're generally good. But seeing sparks can be unsettling, especially when your car is involved. Always double check for any battery damage before connecting cables. One common pain point is the possibility of a loose connection. If a spark happens, inspect to ensure everything is tight. A loose terminal can cause repeated sparking, wear out the components, and could lead to more significant issues down the line. Pro tip, always tighten your connections securely. Another reason could be residual static electricity, especially if you've just been through a dry spell. Static can sneak up on you. Cars and static can make for an electrifying combination. Ensure you discharge static by touching metal away from the battery beforehand. The battery might be drawing current from an accessory. If something's left on a light or a gadget, it creates a small load. This also causes a spark when you connect the cable. Always ensure everything is off in the car to minimize surprising sparks. So what's the step-by-step to do it safely? Disconnected, always start with the negative cable when removing and end with it when connecting back. This minimizes any accidental contact with metal that could cause sparks. Charging too fast might be another culprit. When in a rush, we might set chargers or jump starters at higher rates, increasing the chance of sparking. Always follow your equipment's recommended settings for a safe experience, and reduce those sparks. For those who love numbers, improper cable size can be crucial. If your cables are too thin for the current your battery needs, they heat up, enhancing the spark. Always ensure cables match your car's requirements for a safer connection process. Voltage can be imbalanced if the battery is aged or hasn't been maintained. Older batteries often underperform, generating sparks when connecting cables. Checking your battery's health or replacing it when necessary reduces these surprises. Some adventure seekers enjoy off-roading. Mud and grime can complicate connections, causing sparks due to dirt interference. Regular cleaning of the battery terminals aids smooth operations. Consider it part of regular maintenance. Is it about only electricity? Not quite. Corroded terminals cause resistance, which generates heat, sparking when things are plugged in. Once a month, a quick visual check and cleanup can go a long way. Baking soda and water for the win. Finally, in Portland's rainy spells, ensure your cables are dry. Moisture acts as an unintended conductor, increasing sparks. And also a good habit is inspecting battery age. Older ones are more prone to these surprises. So in essence, charge on wisely.